Deep in the countryside, a centuries-old craft begins with nature itself. Every material begins as something raw, honest, and unrefined. Hide and horn, two natural materials, one shared destiny. Precision tools shape raw material into refined form. Patience transforms raw hide into supple, lasting leather. Each horn carries its own natural pattern, unrepeatable and unique. Every coat begins as a carefully measured pattern. Heat and pressure reveal the natural beauty hidden inside. Machines and human hands work together in perfect rhythm. Shape begins to emerge from raw material and skilled hands. Behind every finished piece lies a world of careful process. Every boot takes form around a mold shaped for perfection. Some details can only be perfected by human hands. Even the smallest button carries the mark of true craftsmanship. Every element finds its place with quiet precision. Polishing brings out the true depth and richness of the leather. Shine is the final signature of dedicated craftsmanship. Nothing leaves this workshop without meeting the highest standard.
Every finished piece is prepared with the same care it was made.
Presentations reflects the value of what lies within.
From workshop to world, each piece begins its own journey.
The final result speaks of patience, skill, and heritage. Every stitch and shine carries the story of its making. Crafted with patience, worn with pride. This is true luxury.